I have limited sun in my yard and used to grow prolific tomatoes in this sunny 10 by 12 foot area until nutgrass arrived.
Oh.
So, like other weeds, I proceeded to pull the nutgrass. Little did I know the next year I had more nutgrass because I pulled the tops and encouraged the corms on the ground. I tried newspaper, 4 inches of mulch, cardboard, raised beds to no avail. I've also sprayed a sedge spray, but it is too close to the tomatoes to effectively use spray. I know I can dig 8 to 10 inches and dispose of the soil and corms, not feasible. How can I get rid of nutsedge? And this is Erica from Yorktown, Virginia. Very detailed question. I like that. So have you had any experience with nutsedge or nutgrass, as some people call it?
Has she considered dynamite?
Has she considered dynamite? There you go, Eric.
It's
Have
hard.
you considered that?
Hard to get rid of.
It is very difficult to get rid of, all right? And it has tubers. Instead of the corms, the nutlets are tubers, okay, which feeds the plant, like carbohydrates and such. Yeah, so your best bet is going to be to try to dig it out.
Yes.
I mean, that's your best bet, because she's right. If you just pull it, you leave, those nutlets in the ground, well, yes, there's plenty more underground where that comes from.
Yes.
So you definitely want to try to get all of the root system as you possibly can. But she said it was too close to use a spray, but you know what I would do though? I would use the wipe technique, right? So I would pour that concentrate into a little lid, little container, right? Dip my paintbrush, a little piece of sponge, and I would get in between those tomatoes and I would actually wipe that sedge spray, right? Or that sedge concentration on the nutsedge and see if that can be effective for you, right? So anything, halosulfuron, imazaquin, controls sedges very well. Just read and follow the label. But that's what I would do. If you really want to get rid of it, right? Because spraying 2-gallon container, you might get drift, you might affect your tomatoes. But again, if you use that wipe technique,
And it's
Paintbrush.
fussy to do, but you can do it.
You can do it.
And it's easier than digging down 12 inches of soil.
Yeah, she said that's not feasible.
Right.
She did say it's not feasible. So that's what I would do. Yeah, so piece of sponge or paintbrush or a little rag or something like that. Just kind of dip it and grab it and just wipe it.
Gloves. Wear gloves.
Right, wear gloves. Right, wear gloves. Read and follow the label. And I think that'll get you, Miss Erica. So, yeah, a little short of dynamite, but it'll get you. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.